Today's topic is mass media. The media that was used to disseminate war-related information later was transformed into mass media. In 1922, Baron John Rayleigh announced for the first time that mass media that was used to disseminate military information will be used for the masses. The major factor in the emergence of media is the growth of communication technologies. Mass media can be identified as newspapers, books, magazines, radio, and television. Definitions of mass media: accessories applied to transmit information between distances or time is identified as mass media. Next definition. This definition was introduced by DeFlo and Dennis in their book Understanding Mass Communication. Further, they have pointed out that the major mass media in modern society are books, magazines, newspapers, radio, and television. According to the Oxford Dictionary, when an invisible audience is addressed through media, that media is identified as mass media. Next definition in Oxford Dictionary: mass media is identified as those types of media that address an invisible multiple audience spread throughout a whole geographical area. Features of mass media: number 1, use of technology; number 2, instant and continuous; number 3, organized and institutionalized; number 4, involvement of professional communicators; number 5, subject to the activity of multiple gatekeepers; number 6, diverse and large audience; number 7, delayed feedback; number 8, commercial oriented. Next topic: functions of mass media. Providing education, information, motivation, and entertainment are the basic communication functions of mass media. Some of the unique roles played by the mass media are stated in the Many Voices, One World document presented by the UNESCO. Number 1, surveillance. It means collecting information that is necessary for the members of the society, safeguarding that information, collecting information regarding the social needs of the members of the society, collecting information regarding natural hazards or risks, and disseminating these information quickly and educating the society on this information. Number 2, interpretation. Interpretation includes explaining clearly the information and various events, commenting on them based on the feedback received from the society, as well as presenting them with interpretation and analysis. Number 3, correlation. This essentially means building mutual interaction between the individuals and institutions through mass media messages. The correlation function of mass media helps to maintain social stability. Number 4, socialization. Socialization function of the mass media consists of the social network of the media educating people on the behavior of society, on the knowledge and values of society, providing this information to the people and identifying common problems and problems of society. Harold D. Laswell mentions the following as the functions of mass media. Number 1, surveillance. Number 2, distribution of news around the world. Number 3, the ability to shape thinking and ideas of the audience. Professor Wilbur Schramm mentions 3 major functions of mass media. Number 1, the role of the guardian. Number 2, the role of the forum for discussion. Number 3, the role of a teacher. In addition to these, there are many other activities of the media. It performs the role of a guard in a democratic society. The basic idea is to be vigilant of the various threats on the common people and build a voice against such threats. Here, special attention is given to the activities of the state. In the social process, if the rulers act in an undemocratic manner, the mass media, with faith of the masses, should act in order to prevent social harm to the society.